Have you ever noticed that people seem to look like their names? This isn't just a coincidence. New research suggests that our names might actually influence our facial features over time. Imagine a world where your name subtly shapes your appearance. This fascinating concept challenges our understanding of identity and how we perceive ourselves in society. The idea that our names can influence our faces might sound strange at first. How could a simple word have such a powerful effect on our physical appearance? The answer lies in the complex interplay between social expectations, self-perception, and the self-fulfilling prophecy. The self-fulfilling prophecy is a psychological phenomenon where our expectations about a situation influence our behavior, ultimately leading to the outcome we expected. In the context of names and faces, this means that if people treat us a certain way based on our name, we might start to conform to those expectations. For example, if someone has a name associated with kindness and they are treated kindly throughout their life, they might develop facial features that reflect those traits. Our brains are constantly processing social cues and adjusting our behavior accordingly. When we repeatedly encounter certain expectations associated with our name, our subconscious might start to internalize these expectations. Over time, these internalized beliefs can manifest in our facial expressions, micro-movements, and even our bone structure, leading to a visible correlation between our name and our face. A groundbreaking study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS, provided scientific evidence to support this theory. The researchers showed participants a series of photographs of faces paired with names. The participants were asked to match the names to the faces. Astonishingly, the participants were able to correctly match the names to the faces at a rate significantly higher than chance. This study suggests that there is a real, measurable correlation between our names and our facial features. The researchers hypothesized that this correlation is not present at birth but develops over time due to social interactions and self-perception. In other words, our faces gradually adapt to align with the social expectations associated with our names. Section 4. Artificial intelligence weighs in. Further support for this theory comes from the field of artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithms have been trained to recognize people's names based solely on their faces. These algorithms have achieved surprisingly high accuracy rates, demonstrating that there is enough information encoded in our facial features to identify us by name. These findings have significant implications for our understanding of identity and the power of social influence. If our names can shape our faces, it suggests that our physical appearance is not entirely determined by genetics, but is also influenced by our social environment and the way we are perceived by others. Section 5. Cultural stereotypes leave their mark. Cultural stereotypes also play a role in shaping our faces to match our names. For instance, studies have shown that people can identify someone's nationality with surprising accuracy based solely on their facial features. This suggests that cultural norms and expectations can influence our physical appearance over time. In France, where names are often associated with specific regions and social classes, researchers have found a correlation between people's names and their perceived social status. Similarly, in Israel, studies have revealed a link between names of Ashkenazi and Sephardic origin and distinct facial characteristics. These findings highlight the profound impact of cultural stereotypes on our physical appearance. Section 6. A lifetime of living with our names. The effect of our names on our faces is likely to become more pronounced as we age. This is because we spend decades living with our names, constantly receiving feedback and adjusting our behavior based on how people perceive us. As we encounter more people and experience more social interactions, our faces gradually mold to reflect the cumulative effect of these experiences. The idea that our names can shape our faces is a fascinating example of the interconnectedness of our minds and bodies. It highlights the powerful influence of social expectations and the self-fulfilling prophecy in shaping who we are, both internally and externally. Our names are more than just labels. They are integral parts of our identities that can leave a lasting mark on our physical selves.